What's up guys, it's me Mr. Bradley and you're watching Learning Made Fun. Story time! When I was a student, I always wondered why I was taught cursive handwriting in an increasingly digital world, why I needed to know how to read and write Roman numerals when the Romans have been gone for over 2,000 years, and mostly why I was taught how to bake a Queen Victoria cake before I went to university. I mean, come on, I was surviving off of instant noodles for about 4 to 5 years. Yet after leaving school, I had no knowledge in money, handling finances and technologies of our future world. In fact, it's only recently after realizing that a lot of my life savings have kind of lost their value due to something called inflation that I've begun to dabble a little bit into the whole finance and money side of things, and well, I've realized I've been completely wasting my time. Today, technology is changing our world faster than ever, and it is very difficult for education to be able to keep up with it. So what are we as educators actually supposed to do about this? Should we continue to teach outdated topics completely irrelevant to the future? Or should we try and update our curricula only to witness further transformation before we have finished making it? Well, it may actually be neither, although I do agree that we as educators should always adapt and improve and add more things to the things that we're teaching. I should probably adapt the way I just said that. Although I believe that us as educators should always continue to adapt our teaching to the world, it's probably a little bit unrealistic to expect teachers to be experts in newer and newer technologies like genome sequencing, robotics, AI, cryptocurrencies, investing. It's a little bit mind-boggling. So, one other alternative is for us to take a more skills-based approach. Instead of focusing on the content that we're teaching and the topics, we focus more on the skills that we're getting students to learn and develop. A skill-centric teaching approach is something that's rooted in STEAM education and focuses on developing student skills that are more relevant to the 21st century, such as problem-solving, that was bad communication. Problem solving, communication, collaboration, innovation, and above all, adaptability, which is going to be very, very important if things are constantly changing. That's why in this STEAM video series, we're going to be taking you on a journey to learn about money, handling finances, banks, blockchain technologies, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, to give you a slight understanding of where the world is heading. So without further ado, let's get started. It's also important to note that in each and every video, we have created fun, interactive STEAM resources that can be downloaded from our Teachers Pay Teacher website. So if you're feeling a little bit lazy or you've fallen a little bit behind in your planning, we got you covered. It's a wing, you're under it. And so without further ado, let's dive into this learning adventure. That's it. I'm done. Sorry, that tone of voice perhaps suggested there was more. Let's just dive in. Goodbye.